Presenting a pre-owned 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 SLE. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, and trailer hitch.